You live the life you love. You love the life you live. Serious thing. Greetings I bring from Jah to Ragamuffin. Ooh-wee. Bambiddly-bo, oh, 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 bambiddly-biddly-bo, oh.
Welcome to Foot TV at the right place, so let's start doggone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good morning. Blessed Sabbath, we have to give thanks to life, you know. Yeah. Give thanks to another day, all my viewers and subscribers. You see it? I'm the man of pace, man. We say give thanks to life, man. Cool shots. Never left it, you know. So I'm a local warrior. Yeah, one guy with his mother, next one I'm going to sort out him here, you know. Birthday, you see me? I forward, you see me? So I don't know, we give thanks to life, give thanks to another day. But Jamaica run away. Morning.
Hello.
Yeah.
Morning.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm miles away. I'm on my little piece of break.
Ah.
Alright.
So man.
Okay.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Mish. Morning. Michelle, I reach up. Go reach up, I'm a yeah. Yes, Jaja. Yeah, so it's good to be early and punctual on time, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, man. So, see Jamaica run away star. Be a thing and go on. Be a dirty things. You see me I say? Body missing. Head alone, fine. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. You don't lie for the man of peace, see? We are forward back.
Me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the pack up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Yes, man, welcome back. You know, so we are crying for peace. We're crying for peace. We are crying for peace. I'm here the man of peace. Yes. You see what I say? And we're tired and fed up by it. Those two tracks, go and check it out on my EP if you haven't done so yet. You see what I say? Yeah, man, if you haven't done so yet, go and check it out. You see it? So, boy, may I tell you. Be a sitting and go on, but you know, I can't keep up, you know, because I do my other errands and work and them things there. You see me? Sometimes I can't keep up, so. Big up all of the original subscribers them on the platform and the fans them and everybody, you see it? Yeah, man, so they'll be there. You know what I mean? Blessed Sabbath. Give thanks to life, health, and strength. You see it, and I say, boy, yo, Jamaica run away, you have to be careful out there, you know. I'm praying for all you all out there, you know, my friends and families and strangers. You see me, you know me always preach love and positive messaging, and I say, yo, think before you talk, think before you act. Careful who not hang around, because you see what, you don't have to do nothing to lose your 3 points, you know. You don't have to do nothing to lose the 3 points right now, see? So, you just have to be careful. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. Be a thing we see going over the weekend. During the whole of last week, and the amount of people we got dirt already. You see me? Can't believe, star. More and more. It's like, boy, I don't know. Yeah, man, we see all the thing going on with Jahshii. You see 6 crew members them get touched up. You know what I mean? Can up. You know. That is another whole scenario. Where did that come from? Where is it coming from? But I'm going to do a different vlog on that still later on. You see what I say? And the reason why I think that happened. Sometimes you can't fight fire with fire. Sometimes you see fire, stay far from it, you know? You see me? Because if you play in a fire, you're going to get burned. You see me? I know where I say music and badness not pay. One or the other. But you know, if you're not the bad man life, you have to live the life. If you're the music life, you have to live the life, you know, because you know what I mean. But as I say, yeah man, I'm glad still the artists not get touched up, you know. Because you know we don't like see anyone get hurt and we don't wish bad upon no one. You know what I mean? If you preach badness and you meet a demise here, so it go.
Hello,
You
boss.
see me?
You okay?
You alright?
You can sit down. Your son wants to do his.
Yeah.
You said?
Yeah man, so you get me?
I said.
Yeah man, so you see it man, the whole four corner Jamaica style, you know? Just stop the crime style. Live in love and peace man. Wagwan man. Yeah man, well look rain and drop now. We give thanks to the rainfall and give thanks to the sunshine. People, go and check out my EP. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah man.
Why you want to sleep?
I just do that quick vlog you have to say, you know, my fellow Jamaicans, be careful out there.
Early morning.
The drivers them, drive with care. The taxi man them gonna drive with care. You know, the bus driver them gonna drive with care, you see me? Remember you have people's lives in your hands. So the careless driving now go work, you see me? You're satisfied for the local customers them wanna have up and down and you know what I mean? Yeah man, too much thing are going, too much blood are shed right now in Jamaica style. You see it? We want to see peace and love and unity and strength and you know what I mean? Yeah, we want to see peace, love, unity, strength from Kingston to country, Jamaica. You know what I mean? And the rest of the world too, the rest of the Caribbean them, because I don't know. A blessing to say all over, you know. And peace and love all over, the man of peace. You see me? Yeah man, the man of peace. I come to you as humble as I am and talking to you real from the heart. You see me? Yeah man. Peace and love we want to see man, but it's a hard task, but we only have to ask. You see me I say we still have to ask and we still have to preach and talk and beg the youth them. When you see every day another man die by the hands of the law or their enemies with a bullet, with a gun, and you really still gonna walk and I pick up the same thing, what do that mean on yourself no good? What do that mean on the family no good? On the kids them, the family just get a newborn and it's not fair. If you see the baby, the newborn and grow without one in there, you see me? Big up my twin in America, it's one of my boy, yeah. You see me? 5 boys I get and we give thanks. 1 girl, you know? You see me so? When the kid say man are dead, I die by, you know, I want to still go on the same footstep. That's why I remember song me and say, why I make when I'm done then they think it's your turn for come give out orders. You see me I say, who forget crushed like worm? You know? Come on man, life is here to live. Not care how rough it tough and tough it is. Life is here to live man. Life is there to live. I'd rather live a poor life and instead of the underneath the earth, you know. And I can't know so boy, I'm not going to wake up to see tomorrow, Christmas, or spend another day with my kids them. And my mother. You know what I mean? My friend them. I'd rather, right now, I live a poor life and a normal life. I'm still there to try, so I have to give thanks to life. You see me? That's the thing that, yeah man, so big up all who appreciate life and respect them life. Don't give away your 3 pints so easy. And to the youths them, think before the act, see? And the ladies them and the young girls them, think before the act. You see me I say? And the man of peace, blessed love. Cool shy, say goodbye man. Molly, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah man, that's how we deal with the thing, manners and respect.